What is going on, everybody? It's the Naughty Investor here. I hope you're all having a great day. Now, my last technical analysis video did really well. It really did. I thank you for all the support I've been getting. If you didn't watch it, I'll link it below. Make sure you check it out after this one. Now, this video is going to be quite different from that because we're not using technical analysis. You're probably asking, the Naughty Investor, how are you going to trade cryptocurrency without technical analysis, all right? Now, what you're doing here is called arbitrage. You're taking advantage of price differentials between different cryptocurrencies. This is not technical analysis, and I don't even really want to call it trading. It's technically trading, but it's really, really basic. You're not going to make a ton of money doing it, but you could make some money. It's something that I advise for absolute beginners, maybe for people who don't really understand technical analysis yet, but just want to start dabbling in the markets, transferring funds from wallet to exchange, and kind of getting in the zone, so to speak. All right. So what is this? This is crypto coin charts, and there's lots of websites out there. So you could even really use CoinMarketCap if you want to be more manual about it. All right. Now, this is the website I use. I'll link it below if you want. And there's a lot of other ones out there. The website doesn't matter as long as they're giving you accurate information. What this does is it's basically giving you a price arbitrage between two cryptocurrencies, or between the same cryptocurrency, I should say, between two different exchanges, all right? So right up here, you can buy 0.31 NEO for a price of 0.003255800 Bitcoin, all right, at Binance, and sell it for 0.00977, whatever Bitcoin on Livecoin. So what this is you're buying it for less, okay, and you're selling it for more. It's not a lot, it's a very small amount. It also calculates your profit, okay? So it'll show your profit. It's gonna be 0.00202130 whatever Bitcoin, all right? It's not a ton of money, but doing this every day, if you're using a decent amount of capital, if you have a few thousand to start, you actually could do all right with this. It's not something you're going to get rich off of, but it's something you can make a good $20 a day doing if you have enough working capital. If you have less working capital, work your way up. Now, before you start trading and click off this video, you have to realize this. When you're doing this, you have to be using cryptocurrencies that have low transaction fees, because if you're trying to do this with a cryptocurrency that has a high transaction fee, it's going to eat into your profits. You're not going to make any money. You have to do, things like Litecoin, cryptocurrencies like that, transactional cryptocurrencies that have low transaction fees are what you want to use, because of the fact that if you're not, it's going to eat all your profits. So this we want to look for. You're going to go to the website, whatever website you're using. You're going to sign up on basically, when you're done doing this, you're probably going to be on almost all the major exchanges, because that's what this takes advantage of. It just takes advantage of price arbitrage between the exchanges. Now, I don't do this at all anymore. It's not worth my time. But I realize that some people who don't really get technical analysis, who don't want to get into charting data and things like that, I understand that for someone like that, for someone who just wants to if you're in high school, right, or you're a college kid, you want to pull in another 15, 20 bucks a day doing this, you definitely could if you play it right. Now, another thing I wanted to mention, the Opera web browser has a new tool out. I think it was Opera, that basically automatically gives you the real-time price of whatever cryptocurrency you're doing. So like, instead of showing 0.003258 Bitcoin right here, it would show the actual value. You might want to download that browser or whatever. Maybe there's a Chrome app that does that for you. That's going to make things a lot easier, so you could see exactly how much you're really profiting. Now, this is not, you're going to profit a few dollars, maybe $3, $4 if I do that calculation correct. I'm not doing the math right off the bat. It's not a lot. But if you're making, $2 trades after, fees and everything multiple times a day, if you do 10 of them a day, it's $20. And I get it's not a lot of money. That's why I named this video $20 a day, or whatever I name. I haven't decided yet. But you could make money. So, in summary, In summary, you're going to have to find an arbitrage website to find price differences between cryptocurrencies. You're going to have to get on the exchanges, a lot of different exchanges, you have to be on them, all right? You're going to have to calculate transaction fees. You could do that easily on a website. Just look up, Ethereum transaction fees, right? And you could find the average transaction fees. And you're going to subtract that from whatever your profit is or whatever your gross is, and that's going to be your profit, okay? I don't do this anymore, but it might be helpful if you're stuck in a situation where you need to bring in a little bit of extra money. You can't get rich off it, don't expect to, but you can make okay gains. There are actually people out there who just do this. I mean, think about it. If you're doing this with like 10K, 10 grand, right? You could actually pull in a few $100 a day doing it. There's no reason why you can't. All right. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really, really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video, share it with anybody who is getting involved in cryptocurrency, who might want to learn the very, very basics of trading. And if you do want to learn more trading strategies, make sure you check out the links in the description because I'm going to have a lot of good links there for you guys to check out for my other previous trading videos. Have a great day. It's the Naughty Investor. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.